What's up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today I am super excited. I'm finally getting to do something that I've wanted to do with Mitzi for quite a while. I'm getting a custom exhaust and you guys are coming with me. That's a Mini Cooper S. Works. Now I know what you're thinking. It's a non-turbo. What are you doing? Well, who gives a fuck? It's all about personality. Getting the air flowing out of the car. And what better way to do that than a custom exhaust? I just want Mitzi to have that little bit of presence. And that's it. So, I'm on my way over to Noise Boys Performance. We got something special for you guys. But first, I'm gonna take a quick pit stop, grab myself a rain, and fuel up.
A few moments later.
Just grabbed myself a rain, guys. Back on the road. Let's get over to Noise Boys. Just pulling in here to Noise Boys, guys. And we've arrived. Let's get inside and check this out, guys. Before we get the work done. Yeah, so guys, we are taking it from the cat. We're replacing with 3-inch pipe. We're getting a new resonator. I just don't want to have it droning when I'm on long drives. And yeah, we're getting a new Y pipe and mufflers. And we're essentially then keeping the dual tip, but we're bringing it up to maybe 3-4-inch dual tips. A quick break, guys, just to show you the crazy NSX that came into the shop when I was there. It was so low that the guys couldn't get it up onto the ramp and they just couldn't work on it. But the owner was super nice and he let me get these shots. So check it out and then let's get back to the 3K GT. That's cool. Oh yeah, that is sweet. Damn, so nice.
A 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust. With here we got a V-band 2.5 stainless, 409 stainless all the way through and through a vibrant bobble resonator and carried off into another vibrant ultra flow quiet res, or muffler as they call it. Out to the end, a custom made Y pipe. It's all stainless 409 and 4-inch staggered polished tips on this beautiful 3000 GT.
Cool. Yeah, they look awesome.
I think you did a good job.
Yeah. that's it for today's vlog, guys. Hope you liked it. Massive shout out to Noise Boys. They did an amazing job on the exhaust. It sounds awesome, it looks awesome, and they were all around nice guys. I leave a link to their website down below. Go check them out. Plenty more coming up in the vlog, guys. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then though, sláinte.